Hi, we're down in propagation and today we are going to be showing you what to do with Embothruim coccineum seeds for the winter. So this is some of the foliage. We would show you the tree, but the weather's not too great today. So it is commonly known as the Chilean fire tree. It's got the bright red flowers. There's just some pictures here because we can't go into the gardens. And yeah, it's an evergreen tree, and the one here that we've got is absolutely humongous. It grows really, really tall in the right place. So I'll show you what we need to do. So to start with, they grow these seed pods. They start off really pale green and then they go light brown like this, and then they go dark brown. So in between collecting, when we go to collect the seeds, it's really a matter of days that they are between ripe and not ripe. So you have to go and check in quite a lot. This isn't a quite ripe one because it's not open. So when they're fully ripe, they should look like this. You can see the difference there. I'll pop that one back. The difference in ripening is literally it can be one hot sunny day or the wind or anything, and you could have lost a whole year's worth of seed. So you need to be really, really careful. So what you do is you get this and you get something with a sharp edge, and you just want to poke them out onto some clean paper like this, and you can see there's loads of them in there. They're like spirally, papery seeds. So put that down. So now you need to try and get rid of all of this papery stuff, because that will mean that the seeds won't germinate. So you need to try and get rid of it. So you can just poke it off. Make sure you're always wearing gloves or clean hands, because any oils or anything from your hands will could interrupt the seeds germination. So just trying to get rid of some of these. So what you do is I'll just do a couple for now. So once you've done that, we do like 100 at a time, but just for now I'm just showing you a couple. So then you do like this, and you just go like this and get them on there, because the paper will hold all the little bits, which you want to try and get rid of as much debris as you can. And then you're going to go back and forward until you have lots of seeds that are just like this one really. So that one is perfect. You want to make sure that they're big enough. So he might not actually be quite big enough, but this one is here, or there is some here that we did earlier, so that might be a bit easier. So as you can see here, here's some that we cleaned earlier. They're all the debris is removed and they are ready to be stored. So what you need to do is grab them. We just put them in some envelopes with the date they're collected and the date they're cleaned, and you're just going to empty them into there like so, and then we just seal it. Obviously we have hundreds in one, and then that is all you need to do, and then that is stored just somewhere dry for the winter. You need to be completely dry, it doesn't need any heat or anything, and you're all done. Perfect.